Best trading strategy with pocket option using the native indicator from Ultimate FX Tools. The Smart Trade version 2 indicator, which will give you positive trading results that will eliminate bad trading decisions by using the Smart Trade. What we will need is to wait for the trading signals coming from our MetaTrader 4 platform. Got our trading alerts here. GBP CAD, 1 minute buy alert. AUD CAD and AUD JPY also got buy alert. Let's check its actual pocket option chart and see if its trend may got potential reversal going up. As we can see here, the trend goes down and a high chance for a trend reversal. Let's trade up on this. AUD CAD, another reversal spot here. Let's trade up. GBP CAD, a high trading reversal spot. Let's trade up on this. We got 50-50 situation here, but this method will give you a high win rate for at least 70% to 85%. Make sure to trade on a potential reversal for each currencies. Got a fair trade on that. We got win on our AUD CAD. And luckily GBP CAD got our winning trade on that. Let's wait for another trading confirmation. As for this method, we traded for 2 minutes, using the Heiken Ashi 5 seconds candle. We got Euro JPY a 1 minute buy alert signal. As we can see, a good reversal point here, as our Smart Trade indicator suggests that this trend will likely to go up for the next 1 minute to 2 minutes. Let's trade up on this. GBP CAD got downtrend alert. Let's go trade going down. It's a bit lag and we unpurposely traded twice in this position, hoping for a winning trade on this. Make sure to have high return currencies with at least 80% and above return. Like this one, we will delete the low return currencies and add high return, which we will have to add manually through the Pocket Option platform and with the MetaTrader 4.
you.